welcome to Lily Toy Review. Today we're gonna make glow in the dark slime. This is all the ingredients that we need. Now we need the slime and the glow powder. The slime and the glow powder. Now we're gonna get some slime and we're gonna cut it out with a star. Okay, that's enough. I made lines. Okay, that's all. Now let's put some slime on here. Now we will flatten it out first so there can be enough room for the star. Okay. Now we're going to take away this before we put it there. You have to take this slime out, the excess, so we can take it away, and then we'll put it back into the slime. Then let's get the more slime. This, and then we'll put it here. Put the lines back in. Get in lines. Then cut. It didn't make it very good. Really nice slime, but I cut off the top. I dropped it. It's okay. We'll pick it up later. Okay, that's all I can do. That's all I can do. It looks kind of ugly a little bit, but it looks skinny. It's like a skinny star. Eh. There it is. My ugly star. Look at the star. It looks skinny. Look at the leg. That looks ugly. Okay, done for this. I don't know what it is, but have to be careful. No, why? Okay, I think that's enough. Now let's get this. Let's get this cup. And then we'll pour a little powder inside. Okay, let's put some in. Sprinkle. No. Oh, I dropped it. Done. That's enough. Okay, now let's put some on top. Blue powder. Now time to mix with hands. I have to get all this slime powder. Why is all this beads coming out? Get in some beads, put in some in. There's still more coming out. Get in. A little bit more powder. Let's get more. Let's get some more and pour some more. Pour some wiggly jiggly wiggly. That's all. No, there's still more. Okay, I have to mix a little bit more. So get all that extra slime powder. All that slime powder. This is how it went crazy. Some of it fell on the blanket down there. I have these too. I'm not gonna eat it. It's bad for you. Okay. Very bad. It's very bad at the store. It's not fully mixed yet. And I don't want it to touch. It won't work if I put slime at the bottom, it will stick, so I'll just put it right there. Time to put it in the microwave for 3 minutes. Done. It's fully mixed. Now let's put it in the microwave for 3 minutes. And guys, have an adult to help you putting it in the microwave, because children that are 3-year-olds cannot do this by themselves, because it's very dangerous for them. Oh, what am I doing? It's not even ready yet. No, that's 1 minute. I'll just put it 1 minute. It's just, you need it for 1 minute. And let's press the start button. It's mixing. You hear it because the metal. Oh, it's ready. Oh, look at all that slime. Slimy, slimy, slime. I mixed it again. Now, let's turn off the lights and we'll see how it looks. Put it back. Sticky. 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 That's how it glows. That's how it glows.
No.
Now you can play with your extra slime. My hands are glowing. And look at my hands. Look at my hands. Oh, look at it. Gone, 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 gone. Look at my hands. Look at my hands. What? Look at my hands. Get on. Look at my hands. What do I have to do? Make sure to subscribe for more videos. Bye.